want to thank God and want to appreciate you at this moment. Why I say all this, because we have never had a minister that draw his people close to him. You are the only one, but any other one is counterfeit. We are happy, we have been praying for you. And I want to tell you clearly that we are in support of what you are doing 100%. It's our community and everybody wants a good thing. We want a good thing. We need it. But the only thing we want to say there is, like you have said, we want to know the people that are affected at that road cordon. I think we will be happy. And so also the only thing I want to observe on behalf of my people, that saying that you have been saying that the compensation have been made to Baduma people 20 years ago. I want to make it clear, sir, with the respect to you, that this has not been done. We don't know about it. That is the only thing I want to tell you clearly today, that we have not been paid and we have not heard about it and nothing about it. Thank you so much, sir. We appreciate it.
First of all, that place had been compensated years ago. But I also am human. I feel the pains of people. We are not relocating people out. But that road, just like what we did in Greshi, you have to pass to meet the other side. That's the only way you can say, okay, you cannot stop me. I've never seen anything like that. It's all over the place in this world. When government is constructing road, if they have, you pay compensation. You must pay. But I have even told them not only paying compensation, okay, give them another place where they can go to. Just like what we did in, what's called it, I hope they've corrected their arrow force. I've signed since, what do you mean do? Call me director, can you say no, you go like, call me director of love, I signed it by myself. I signed the arrow force. There are about over 30, 50 people. 400 persons. Call me director of land, and you're sitting down there doing what? So I have signed it for them to give you an arrow for. So why I called you? You know the place. The contractor must go back to site. I've told the director of settlement, even though we have from the, put in the speaker phone. Director, yes, I have signed the arrow of those Gishiri people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why have you not given it to them now?
Yeah, there's that memo that I brought to your house that you said you must meet. The one I said, so that I can approve that the arrow template becomes different. It will not have the issue of 21.
So why did I sign the arrow now?
No, what you signed was the ministerial approval sheet.
If I signed the minister, which means it's for you to give them the arrow.
Okay, so I can go ahead with the proper template.
Give them their receipt, please. No, give them a different template. They can't afford to pay that money.
Yeah, that's what I brought you.
No. Remove the money. They can't pay.
Yes, sir.
All right, they cannot pay money. All right, so we'll call them and give them the arrow. Thank you.
All right, sir.
So the point I'm making is that if the road does not pass 500 meters, then government wasted money. And would you continue to be like that in life? Wouldn't that place grow? You grow. So after the director of settlement, go and make valuation. But the rate people are using is too small. right? Increase their rate. If there is 50 naira, give them 100 naira. Do you understand me? Then call director to get land for them. For those who are funded, not the whole community, it's just those on the corridor, on the road, not entire community. Until when we want to talk about community, we know, but this one, just on the road corridor. So that we are not pushing out everybody. So don't say I said, no, I'm not doing that now. But let the road link up so that we know that we will have the development. And so that's why I called you. That's okay. Let me give you the information that are coming from compensation for the houses on the road, not the entire village, on the road. If the road is passing like this, those who are here, not the house on the other side, so I should go and pay. No. The one I'm paying for is this one that's on the road, so that we can settle them this month or to finish. There are not many. It's about how many meters? I saw it, I saw the road. It's a full infrastructure, man. And street light.
I want to start by thanking Almighty God for sparing our life to meet at this hour. Secondly, we want to shout thank you for the comment you have just given in respect of releasing the allocation letters. In fact, I intended to ask for that request that up to date, my people have been coming to me, asking me about the allocation letters. So thank you very much for the effort you have been doing. By extension, by transforming FCT. The other project you have just mentioned, we are ever ready to give you maximum cooperation and support so that we achieve, so that the government will be able to achieve the maximum result. Sir, I want to give you assurance. We are with you. We will go with you so that the government will succeed. I wouldn't know whether one of the community leaders over there, the local people, will be able to say a word or two. We appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, but not everybody. I don't have time. So many things I've done. And then I'm sure by today, tomorrow, the director lands will have contacted him that he will apply for the addition, and I've waived off any payment. Because you cannot go and pay money. That I will not accept it. So you are here when I say no payment. Okay? All right, thank you.